If you like to be prepared, stick around. So, this is my EDC bag, everyday carry. Under, I'm going to say 1.5 pounds, I believe. Less than 1.5 pounds. This is a military grade, heavy duty nylon, air vents, water vents, drain vents, whatever bag. I'm not sure what kind of military bag this is. I picked it up at a flea market, picked up a couple of them. Really lightweight little bag. Anyways, this is my everyday carry. This goes in the Jeep with me. If I throw a pack together, it goes in the pack. Basically, everything's here. Just about everything. So I'm just going to run through some of the stuff that I carry around, always have. Most of the time I have this with me. A couple lengths of 550 paracord, Ziploc bag, good for foraging. This is a little first aid kit. I have some of these stretchy hair tie rubber band things, multiple uses for those. I use them for all different kinds of things if you just need some kind of quick attachment. I got a little chunk of Flex Seal tape. Never know when that comes in handy. This little case here is a small first aid kind of setup. I have some eye drop, saline eye drop solution, a small disposable tube of super glue, sterile pads, alcohol wipes, band-aids, butterfly sutures, different size band-aids, your basic small lightweight first aid kit. I keep that tape on there, and these all hold it all together from falling apart in the bag. Let's see what else we got. Basic Bic lighter wrapped with 2 large pieces of Gorilla Tape. So if you need Gorilla Tape, and rather than carry the whole roll, you can peel it off right there. So plenty of Gorilla Tape and a lighter. I have one of these scarf sock deals. Can be used for multiple things: water filtration, dust, of course, around your face, cold weather, keep the bugs off, tourniquet, washcloth, pot holder, you name it, you know how to use it. I keep got a couple candles in here right now. They're not always in there. A lot of the stuff changes through time too, different seasons and whatnot. A couple small tea light candles. I have a few of these. I've been collecting these out of the tuna bags. Some of them come with these cool little sporks, folding sporks. They weigh nothing, so I always have a spork or two for a friend. Tin with denim char cloth, plenty of that in there. Fire starter, a ferro rod. Oh, I might add, I don't keep a knife in here because sometimes I throw my knife in here, but I always carry either this or a fixed blade. Sometimes carry both. Sometimes I'll carry the fixed blade on my belt and throw this in the bag, especially camping or hiking. I'll throw my Swiss Army knife, but this can be used with that ferro rod. Multiple things, you know how they work. So we got all that, and let's see Little triple antibiotic ointment cream to go with the first aid stuff. A Case Arkansas oil stone sharpening knife, real smooth, perfect to hone your blade, keep your tools sharp, lightweight, small, pocket size. It's an old one too, real stone. And I got a couple Altoid tins. This is another medical tin. I have an RX up there so I can differentiate more of the eye drops. I have a tweezer, perfect for tick pulling. I also have the tweezer in the Swiss Army, but this one does a better job sometimes. Some pain relievers, fever reducer, pain relievers, different kinds. Anti-diarrhea, another thing is super glue. Little safety pin and some finger cots, which are like little tiny rubbers, like miniature condoms basically. Yep. But they're great if you slice a finger. Band-aids won't stay on. You're in a wet environment or something, you can just put a band-aid on, throw that over it. It keeps it waterproof, keeps the band-aid on, keeps it tight, so they don't take up no room and they're lightweight. Sting relief medicated pads, more alcohol prep pads, a couple extra band-aids, a needle and thread in case you got to suture yourself up, and there's dental floss wrapped around that safety pin as well, quite a bit of it. So this all fits in here, and that is that medical tin. So plenty of medical stuff. You never know, it don't really weigh much. Another Altoid tin. This just has some various items, some more little emergency candles, can opener, have that on the Swiss Army, but have a spare. Small carabiner, a little bit of hemp cordage, another safety clip, more super glue. It came in like a 5 or 6 pack, so I just throw them all in everywhere. They're disposable. So brand new razor blade, and that's all in that tin. And just a little vial with some vitamins, my medicine I switch out in there. And I think that's basically it. So that's my everyday carry. It's not a lot there, but there is a lot there. It doesn't take up a lot of space. Like I said, 1.5 pounds at the most is bag. And you know, I throw some extra stuff in there sometimes, depending on what I'm doing. But pretty much this stuff all stays there. I might take my fire stuff out and go with throw that in my other fire kit on a hiking trip or camping trip, just to keep my fire stuff together. But other than that, these Altoids stay in there, sharpening stones, first aid, cordage. I always have more with me on a hike, but this is some backup cordage, or just that I always have with me. So this is basically my EDC kit right there, lightweight, simple, and that's it. Just wanted to share with you guys. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and any questions or comments, I appreciate them. Leave them down below. Thanks.